Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Andrew. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a working doorbell in Minecraft. So you can see I've already made one. And first you want to make a hole that's 3 blocks wide and dig down like 4 blocks. So one after that. So if you break a block on accident. We're going to need a button, a trap door if you want to cover it, a note block, or a Peter, a gold block, and some redstone, which looks like this. First, dig up like this. And get it and put your redstone down like that. Then once you get that, put the repeater and put it to the max. Then if this is really easy, you dig down 2 blocks, put a gold, and then put your note block on. Okay. I'll put one here. And you can see this is really easy, and then I'm going to cover it up. But the only thing you don't want to cover is over there. Then hit the button. Or that. And you can do that. Then you can cover it if you'd like. I'm going to cover mine. Then you just press that. And it makes the doorbell sound. I'll see what happens with the lever. I'm gonna put a trap door. Then it'll be like hidden. It's like hidden. And that's how you make a working doorbell.